guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site na naman tayong pagkakitaan. Ito ang trxcool.com. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-register or sign up dito sa ating site? Ilagay lamang ang ating email address, then yung phone number, and then yung ating password, at syempre yung ating invitation code. Then once na ma-fill up natin siya guys, click lang natin itong sign up. So yun nga guys, no, once na nakapag-sign up or login na tayo sa ating site, meron ditong double times 2 TRX. So, double your money for 24 hours. Company official link, trxcool.com. Then corporate law white paper, www.trxcool.com/trxcool.pdf. So how to deposit? www.trxcool.com/about/15. Invite friends to join and receive 20% our contact address trxcool1@gmail.com. So withdrawal of investment income in Singapore time GMT +8 9 to 21. Note, the deposit address and withdrawal address need to be the same. So yun guys, once na nakapag-sign up at login na kayo sa ating site, magtungo tayo sa ating wealth. So once na nagtungo tayo sa ating wealth, meron tayo dito TRX Cloud Mining A. Interest rate is 100%. Minimum amount is 20, and then the maximum amount is 1 million pesos TRX. So yung magtungo naman tayo sa ating activity. So yun guys, once na nagtungo tayo sa ating activity, magtungo tayo sa invite friends to earn new revenue. So yun nga guys, once na nagtungo tayo doon, meron dito once na everyday kayo sign in dito sa ating site, may mga reward kayo makukuha guys. And then kailangan nyo nang lagi mag-sign in. So yun guys, kung nakapag-sign in tayo dito, meron tayong makukuha na 0.50 USDT. So yun nga guys, ito yung cumulative sign-in reward. In 3 days, we have here the 1 peso, and then $1 USDT, and then the 7 days 10, and then 15 days in 18, and then 20 days 288, and 25 days 388. So yun guys, magtungo naman tayo sa ating USDT investment activity. So we have here the USDT investment activity. Deposit 2,000 USDT, you get 21 USDT. So deposit of 5,000 USDT, you get 53 USDT. So deposit of 10,000 USDT, and you get 10,800 USDT. So when you deposit of 100,000 USDT, you get 1,100 110 USDT. And then when you deposit of 1 million USDT, you get 1,200 USDT. So our contact address is trxcool1@gmail.com. So nga guys, magtungo naman tayo sa ating account. So yun nga guys, we have here the total assets natin is 0.50, and then we have here the recharge and withdraw. So magtungo naman tayo muna sa ating recharge. Paano nga ba makapag-recharge dito sa ating site? So yun guys, kung mapunta tayo sa ating deposit, meron ditong account recharge ng 0.50 TRX. Available balance natin is 0.50 TRX. So recharge amount ng 50 TRX. So dapat hindi siya magano ng less than 20 TRX. So payment method natin is TRX. So next step, so sa ating next step, May nakalagay doon na please verify your email first. Click lang natin yung confirm. So once na nakalagay dito na verify email for your security, click nyo lang yung send code. Then punta kayo sa ating nyo. Guys, once na nalagay natin yung verification code, click lang natin yung ating confirm. So once na click natin yung ating confirm, meron dito nalagay na 50 TRX, can create ka din transfer into charge amount. So ito yung ating wallet address guys. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating Binance account para deposit dito yung ating 50 TRX. So guys, nandito tayo sa ating Binance account. Magtungo naman tayo sa ating wallet para makapag-deposit sa ating site. Then magtungo tayo sa ating withdraw. TRX, send via crypto network. Then yung kinapipaste natin na ang copy address sa ating site, ilulong press lang natin siya dito guys at ipipaste. Then yung ating desired amount na withdrawin sa ating Binance account para ma-deposit sa ating site. So 50 TRX siya guys. So click lang natin itong withdrawal. Then confirm. So yung nga is warning, after withdrawal is complete, the asset will be transferred to the recipient address. Please make sure you have entered the correct address. Please make sure that you fully understand how the assets are used and the possible risks involved. Beware of pyramid schemes, illegal fundraising, and scams. So click lang natin to fully understand the potential risks associated with the asset withdrawal and confirm that I would like to continue my withdrawing asset. So confirm. So yan, may mag-send ng code sa ating cellphone number at Gmail guys. So click lang natin itong send code and i-input natin yung mga code dito guys. So yan guys, once na na-input na natin yung ating mga code na natin sa ating cellphone at Gmail, click lang natin itong submit. So yan guys, kung click natin yung submit, request submitted na siya guys. So yun na nga, magtungo naman tayo sa ating site para i-double check kung talagang na-deposit na yung ating 50 TRX sa ating site. So yun guys, lagay lang natin yung ating. So yun nga guys. So yun nga guys, pumasok na nga yung ating dineposit dito sa ating site. So ang total asset na natin is 50.50 TRX. So paano nga ba mag-withdraw naman dito sa ating site? I-click lang natin itong ating withdraw. Then once na nasa withdraw na tayo, meron tayong available balance na 50.50. So wallet, select wallet, and then yung withdrawal amount. Once na nakinik yung wallet na select wallet, meron ditong add a new withdrawal wallet. So guys, meron itong wallet type. So ilalagay nyo lang yung TRX and then yung wallet address. And once na napin nyo guys, click nyo lang yung submit. So yun nga guys, nandito sa ating withdrawal. Ilalagay lang natin yung dito yung ating available balance. And then yung wallet address. Ilalagay nyo lang din guys. Then yung withdrawal amount. Kung magkano yung i-withdraw nyo guys. After nyan guys, click nyo na yung submit. So automatic na yung papasok sa ating Binance account. So yun nga guys, napaka-legit talaga ng ating site. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-register na kayo at click ang subscription button and then yung notification bell para mas update pa kayo sa mga i-release pang video.